Atama, we found some great stuff, right? We almost got everything at a discount without compromising on the quality. Come on, let's finish the rest of our shopping and get back home.
What's the price of these apples? And how many are there? I need about 25 to 30 good ones.
Atama, it's hurting. Ouch. Oh no. My god, it's paining very badly.
Wait, what happened? Why are you shouting?
Something bit me. Probably it was a honeybee. This thing is still in my hand. It's really painful. Do something.
Oh no, calm down. I know it hurts, but I have a remedy. Wait here, I'll bring it for you. Take this onion and apply the juice to the sting. It will relieve the pain instantly.
What? Onion? Are you sure this will work? How does onion help?
Yes, dear. The juice from a freshly cut onion can reduce the pain and irritation. It's simple and this method is followed since ages. You just need to cut the onion in half and rub it on the bite several times a day until you feel better. Do it right away and see the difference. Onions have been used for their medicinal properties since ancient times. They can help with any insect or bug bite due to their anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce swelling and redness, and their antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which helps remove venom from the bite and prevent further infection.
That's wonderful, Atama. I already feel a little better. Thank you so much for teaching me this hack. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe Motherly Methods for more.